Okay, we're live. That's that. This all happened so fast.
I'm alive.
I just hit the button and it was like, boom! The world can see you.
You know, I always wonder why I drink cafe latte. I don't even really like coffee.
Cool. So, how's it going, guys?
Hello.
Like tradition, we start the live video off
At some kind of convenience store.
at a convenience store. This one is Lawson. We're here.
Sean Tate, what's up?
So today, not many of you in, we decided to go to PARCO City Mall. And if you don't know, PARCO City is a newish mall they built last year. And it is now about the biggest mall on the island. I mean, that one in Rycom is about the same size. But this is the new one. This is the San A version. Rycom is Aeon or Jesco.
Yeah, I know it's just a mall, but I figured, you know.
It's new. It's a big deal for Okinawa, I think.
I've covered it in my vlogs, but I haven't actually gone to it for the live, so I figured let's do that today. I just gotta remember how to get there, and then we can go.
All right. Hello, Texas. Yep, so we're at a Lawson's right now. Just in the parking lot. We had to get some drinks.
Like we do.
There's Joe. Hey, Joe.
Hey, Joe.
Here,
Oh, Joe was saying yesterday, because we went to Kadena, he was like, man, I had just left to go get lunch and a haircut when you guys went to Kadena. And I keep missing you guys. I know. Next time I'll DM you on Twitter.
Yeah, we could just message.
Kadena. Because I'm probably gonna have to go back for a couple more stuff.
I'll tell you something. I don't really care for the military base or anything. It doesn't seem.
When did it open? It opened back up for visitors 3 or 4 days ago, I think.
Well, the mall opened last summer. That's when they built it. Hi, Mary from Connecticut. Joe.
Hi, Mary.
Did you want to share it? No.
On my phone. Okay, yeah, we're good. You can do it. You can do it with this.
There's Ray.
But yesterday I had Chili's because we went to Kadena, and
Oh yeah, we did. We went to Chili's.
I woke up this morning with a really bad sore throat because of all the acid. I should have not eaten the triple dipper bypass appetizer, because that really.
The triple dipper bypass.
I mean, it was just it was all deep fried pickles, deep fried chicken, deep fried egg rolls.
Yeah, it was actually.
Oh, it was good, but man, I do not feel good afterwards.
Did I share it? How does it work?
But yeah.
Oh wait, maybe I gotta type something.
So today's Father's Day in Okinawa. So originally we were going to Ryukyu Village, which is what I wanted to do, but then Paul was kind enough to remind me that Ryukyu Village is closed until the end of this month for the coronavirus. And then Ray's wife Gina sent a link for all the things that are opening at certain times, that are open now and that are opening later, and it was actually really helpful. So thank you, Gina, for sending that. But today's Father's Day in Okinawa, and I didn't have a lot of time in terms of where we could go and what we could do. So today I'm just making it easy. I wanted to show you guys PARCO City Mall anyways. So
I don't know if I shared it correctly, but
gonna go back and celebrate with the grandpa with some sushi. So.
Oh yeah, happy Father's Day from Okinawa.
I know,
to all of you fathers out there. I know it's tomorrow for all of you, pretty much.
Yeah, except Joe.
Except Joe.
Because he's in Okinawa. Happy Father's Day, Joe.
There's probably some other people in Okinawa too, though. Trying to see. when I have my phone sideways, it only shows me like one comment at a time.
Here, use my phone. I think I know where I'm going.
Okay, if Kit knows where she's going, then I'm gonna read your comments. Okay.
Sorry, guys. Just bear with us. It'll get... Is it because I have Pokemon Go playing in the background? Oh, wait, no, you're on your phone. Oh, man.
Oh, yeah. Oh, we didn't do live in Kadena.
No. We can't do lives on the base. We can't even do vlogs on the base. It's part of their security thing. So we have to get special permission to do any kind of like live base thing.
Yeah. I did think about, at most, we could probably take like some pictures of things and then just, if there's people in it, just like blur their faces. But
Hi from Kentucky. Hi, Cynthia.
happy Father's Day, Matt, to your fur baby.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Our little fur baby. Miss my little fur baby. I said this in my vlog yesterday, but if any of you guys have a private jet and wouldn't mind flying my dog out here, I'd much appreciate it.
They don't need a private jet, do they? Be easier.
No, but if they were like on their way with their private jet, just like pick up Buddy.
I think even if they had a private jet, you'd still have to do the requirements for the dog importing.
No, I know, but it's like then Buddy doesn't have to sit in the cargo hold. You know, he could just run around.
He just runs around.
Yeah, he just runs around on the private jet, barking at everything.
You can make a private jet with like a back room that's like an outdoor area.
Yeah, make a little sod from Home Depot, just lay it down.
Yeah, a tree.
This is for my dog.
And then like the whole back's glass,
Yeah.
so you can see outside.
Aw.
I don't think they could do that in
No.
planes.
No, I don't think they can.
Well, you could do it in planes, but not jets. I don't think.
That's my dog. We gotta figure out his paperwork.
If I had a private jet, I'd be flying out there and pick up your dog. You're welcome, from Utah. David, what town are you driving in? Thanks, David.
We are in Urasoe,
Urasoe right now.
or it might be Futenma. We just passed Camp Foster, so wherever Camp Foster was.
Hi from Texas, was stationed at Tori.
Ohio, Mel.
Let me try sharing this again, because I don't know if I did it. Oh, I should have done it this way. I did not. Okay, let me hit share and share. Okay, I think I did it right. Hopefully I didn't double share on those. I might have, but... And then live in Okinawa.
North Carolina. Hi, Don. Oh man, the ocean is so beautiful today.
Should I share on I am half Okinawan?
I always do, but
Okay.
I don't know. No one's told me. Because there are certain people, like on certain groups, that don't like me sharing this.
Oh, really?
Because they get all angry. Because for some reason, video is different from pictures.
I see. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I don't think it worked because normally when we share, we have a lot more people. So now it's going up. Anyway, hello everyone coming in. We're driving through Urasoe right now, heading to PARCO City Mall. If you don't know what PARCO City Mall is, haven't been here in a while, it's a new mall that they built
A year
last
ago.
summer, I believe. And it is the biggest mall on the island, or
No.
equivalent to Rycom. Anyway, yeah, it's like, if you know Rycom, that's like a huge Aeon mall. Sane built one.
It's right in front of, if anybody has
That's where
ever
we're going.
been or lived on Kinzer, it's like right in front of Kinzer.
Right in front of Kinzer. Didn't they build it on some... What was it? They built it on like...
Well, they built it on Kate's Hamster.
It was like a beach, though, right?
Yeah, it was a beach.
Yeah. They reclaimed the land and built the mall.
Yeah.
What was the beach? It was right outside of
Kinzer?
Kinzer?
Yeah. Well, because Chris can see it from his surf side.
Joe thinks it's bigger.
Oh, okay.
It could be.
It doesn't feel bigger. I don't know. I've only been there once. They have a Panda Express. So.
That's true. We did a video on it. That was one of my first videos.
Yeah.
Got a lot of dislikes and likes. I don't know.
It's not very good.
Panda Express. People were just so appalled that I went to Panda Express while living in Japan. I got so many dislikes. Like, why would you go there? Like, I live here. Could eat Japanese food whenever I want.
But I mean, there is some kind of like, I do like trying American foreign food and see how like Japanese people interpret it.
Yeah, I think it's good.
Interpret.
Yeah, so far everything has tasted pretty much the same.
Yeah, I know people say McDonald's tastes different, and I'm like, no, it doesn't.
Yeah, I think McDonald's tastes the same.
I think
they do have different though.
Yeah, I think that's the thing is like.
But if you get like a Big Mac or a Quarter Pounder, like it's exactly the same.
Yeah, their chicken nuggets and fries taste the same.
Yeah.
They have melon soda, which American ones don't. So.
I don't understand that picture video thing, but to each his own. Oh yeah. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, this is just a Facebook feature. It's not like we're even linking from somewhere else. Like, we're live in Facebook, you know?
I know. I talked to John Showline once because there's a lot of people who
I think videos are better, personally.
Well, no, I think they all both have their place. But I remember a lot of people were comparing us to John Showline. I think a lot of it is that they assume we were making money off of doing videos. And I'm like, I wish I was making money off of doing videos.
And well, we want to make money. We are not.
Well, because they said that you guys should do this like John Showline where he doesn't get paid. But when you actually talk to John, his initial idea was to make what he does a business. Like, he wanted to make money off of doing what he does.
Also, we're friends with John.
Yeah, John's cool.
Anyway, there's an IMAX theater too.
There is? Where? Oh, yeah.
But you know, visiting Rycom a lot makes it feel smaller. It could just be the feeling of familiar. Yeah, Rycom is much closer to us.
Well, because I think Joe, I don't know if, Joe goes Pokemon hunting. Joe, I was actually going to ask you, have you been going to the Wednesday group for a while? Like even before the coronavirus? Because my friend used to do it every Wednesday. Her name's Kate. So I'm wondering if you guys know each other from the Pokemon Go group. This is the Chinese
restaurant. Not Chinese, it's Japanese. Or it's Chinese, not Japanese. Yeah, Panda Express. Oh yeah, this Chinese restaurant, this is the one that you said you used to go to as a kid.
Yeah, my mom still thinks that this is probably one of the best Chinese places still around. But
I haven't tried it, but I also don't really trust your mom's opinion on things because she doesn't try anything.
Well, this was my...
She'll try like one thing.
This was my dad's favorite.
Yeah.
No, we just have a lot of memories here.
We go on Wednesdays if we could get out of work in time. Just the fam and some friends.
Okay. Yeah, because she used to be like in a group of people that would go every Wednesday to Rycom Mall for Pokemon Go. They do raids and stuff.
So this is Gushikawa?
No, Gushikawa is where...
I mean,
this is Kino... Like,
no, I mean...
Urasoy?
Urasoy, yeah.
I think we're in Kinowan now.
Oh, okay. Kinowan?
Yeah, Kinowan Police Station.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. Kinowan Seaside Park. It says it in English, but I read the Japanese.
Okay.
Wink, wink. There's a lot of people that work show up as well. We always have a good time Wednesday raid.
I might actually come to one of those one day because I'm back into it now. I shouldn't have downloaded the app, but I did. That's my bad. I caught an electric okay, nobody cares. I should stop talking about it.
I grew up in Gitawan.
Oh, nice.
David, Jimmy's, and Mashiki.
You know, OCSI used to be here in Gitawan, so when I was a kid, my aunt would drive me from central Okinawa all the way up to Gitawan almost every single day for the school.
When's the last time you were here, Don? Does it still look the same? Because this is kind of a pretty main road.
Yeah, this is 58.
But it's also pretty built up, and I'm sure it's changed a lot. I always think the video is frozen, but we're just stopped. And I see like little cars and stuff going by. So, I went back for 3 days in 2002. Oh, okay. There's Kuya's watching.
Hey, Chris, you're awake. You never emailed me back about the lemon candle.
Oh, yeah.
Or emailed. I sound so
What?
messaged.
That's weird that you said email.
I know. Why did I say email? I don't understand.
Yeah. Even when email was popular, I didn't use it.
No, because I was using MSN Messenger at the time.
I just didn't have friends.
It's because we were in the hacky sack club.
Yeah. I was using World of Warcraft at the time to communicate with people. And Xbox Live. Those were pretty much my forms of communication.
Hey, you had a lot of friends on that. Those are friends.
Or just texting, actually.
How old were you when you had your first phone?
Me?
Yeah.
I was one of the first people out of my friends group to have a phone. I had the Nokia, the brick.
I had the...
And it was in middle school. So
Oh, middle school?
2002 maybe, or 3, somewhere in there.
I was in elementary school when my dad got me my first phone. I was probably like 10, 11, and I had one of those really big brick ones, like huge brick ones that you could be, it's like a rock, you know, it's a paperweight. And then it had 3 numbers installed, and I couldn't call anything else. It was only my mom, my grandma, and my dad's number. But
I downloaded a lot of games, sort of realizing that it would charge my parents on the bill, but as an 11 or 12-year-old, I didn't care. I'd be like, Splinter Cell? $5? Let's get it. It was a color screen.
back before we had any concept of money.
I was there in November and stayed on Pipeline in Mashiki, which is